The U.S. Supreme Court today striking down a ban on bump stocks, those rapid-fire devices used in the deadliest mass shooting in U.S. history. Eyewitness News reporter Rob McMillan has more, including a split reaction to the court's ruling by a victim of the mass shooting and by the inventor of the bump stock.
It's a device that helped allow a shooter in the 2017 massacre in Las Vegas to kill nearly 60 people. The bump stock. And today, a federal ban on bump stocks was overturned by the U.S. Supreme Court.
My initial reaction was because I saw it on social media. A friend had posted it. I thought, this is a joke, right? And then I realized they've overturned Roe v. Wade. Why would they not overturn this?
Terry Davis was wounded in the Las Vegas shooting and has strong feelings about bump stocks.
Who needs those things? Is it our military and our police force, or is it everybody on the streets?
So what is a bump stock? It's an accessory for a semi-automatic rifle that uses the recoil of the weapon to allow the person using it to rapidly pull the trigger over and over again, even though their finger is held down the entire time. Back in 2018, the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives determined that using a bump stock turned a rifle into a machine gun. But today, the Supreme Court said not so fast, ruling that technically someone using a bump stock is in fact pulling the trigger over and over again.
This is not about guns. This is about government overreach. And can they change the rules of the game just if a president doesn't like what's going on?
The man who invented the bump stock, Jeremiah Cottles, said today he obviously agrees.
Just because a gun shoots fast doesn't make it automatic. It has to automatically fire. And finally, a court has said it doesn't. The individual has to pull the trigger each and every time.
But those who disagree say even though it's not a single function of the trigger, it's still a single function of the finger.
I think the dissent by Justice Sotomayor was very appropriate and very compelling. And she said, if it walks like a duck, if it looks like a duck, if it quacks like a duck, it's a duck. And a semi-automatic weapon with a bump stock is a machine gun.
California Attorney General Rob Bonta points out that bump stocks are still illegal in California, but a federal ban will now require a federal law, not just the interpretation of the ATF.
This isn't the last word on this issue. Congress can act. They should. They should do it now.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel and download the ABC7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.